And this video will be a brief introduction to Calibre Information Management System. You can store pretty much any type of EPUB in Calibre. I use it primarily for PDFs, but it will store many other EPUB formats and also Word documents and spreadsheets, even movies. And then you can arrange everything by title, author, the date it was added to Calibre, the date of the publication, etc. You see, I've got 347 books in my Calibre library. I've been using it for quite a while. One of the great things about it is the ability to add tags to each entry. So here we see a GE dehumidifier. I've got a tag called appliance. I click on appliance, and now you see the filter is changed. So it says tags equals appliance, and now these are all my appliances. And one of the things that I do with some of the PDFs, at least I try and remember to do, is I add extra information to them, especially like for the appliances or for the cars. Like for the car, I might add a VIN number, but for the appliance, I try and remember to put in the tag from inside the appliance, and then also copy that information into the PDF so it can be extracted by copy and paste, and then that makes it, immediately available whenever I need to contact support. Another thing is adding books to Calibre. I add books by putting them into a staging file, which is on my desktop, and scratch ebooks to import, and they go in here, and whenever I try to add a book, Calibre remembers the last place I added books from, so it goes right back to that same place. Now let's go ahead and add these books. Click on OK, and Calibre reads the books in, and it tries to identify some of the metadata and match it up with metadata for books already in the library, and then decides what to import and what not. It didn't find any of these books, so it imported all 9. Now let's say I wasn't sure whether I have imported the books from here or not. All I need to do is click on Add Books. I can select them again, click on OK. Calibre will read them again, and it will now show me a list to pick. Do I really want to import these? Because it thinks it found them already. And of course, it did find them already because I just imported them. So I'm just going to click on Cancel rather than importing them a second time. Now I'm going to delete the books from Calibre and click on Yes. The files have been removed from Calibre, but not from my import location. So the way I typically do this is I just dump things into the import location. Every once in a while, add books to Calibre, and then every once in a while go back here and delete everything, because I run an import and I find that it finds everything already matches, so I know I've already imported it, and then I just go ahead and delete it from the holding location. And that's about it for a simple introduction to Calibre.